Hey guys, welcome back to another quick informed video. In today's video, we're talking about a cool offer that Cricket Wireless has going on. So it is the free Motorola One 5G, and also it ain't just that you can get this phone for free, guys. You can also get it 3 months on our $60 monthly unlimited plan. It's funny how I say ours, but I don't even work for them. But on Cricket Wireless's plan. So this is a pretty sweet phone. We'll take a look at it. It looks like it has 2 front-facing cameras. Like I said, you can get this phone for free plus 3 months of the $60 unlimited monthly plan. So let's go ahead and check this out and see how we can get this phone. Very excited to see what we have to do to get this phone. But before we continue, let me tell you about our supporter, Honey. Honey is a free web browser extension that'll find you best promo codes, coupons on popular shopping websites like Cricket, Boost, Metro, Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. That will be in the description below if you want to support the channel. It's totally free. Helps you. As you can see, I have it here on the side. I use it, so you can get discounts and rewards and money back. I've gotten over $100 back in just rewards, so it's pretty cool. Check it out. So let's go ahead and click on it and say buy now. There you go. It says switch and save. Get a free Motorola One 5G with 3 months on our $60 monthly unlimited plan. So now remember, Cricket may temporarily slow down data speeds if the network is busy. So if you're in a congested area, just know that you might get pretty slow internet. Online only requires new account and purchase of 3 months of $60 month plan. First 3 months service charge and taxes due on sale. So basically, to get this phone, you will have to pay 3 months of $60 up front. So you just remember, 60, 60, 60, 3 times. That's how much you'll have to pay for it. So just, basically $180. So for $180, it's pretty cool, So it says this is new for new customers only. This phone does cost $260 if you're a current customer, even if you're switching new anything or upgrading. But if you're a new customer and you're switching to Cricket or just get a new number, you can get this deal for free. It's a pretty sweet phone. Look at it. I mean, I like it so far. So remember, that's about 3 months of unlimited data. We'll check it and see what that offers, but it's pretty cool. I mean, I might actually have to pick this phone up and see what's cool with it here in my area. The one thing I hate about Cricket or AT&T is their 5G is really, really weak. They're probably the worst out of the spectrum of 5G. They only have it in certain areas and small areas too. It's definitely not near me at all. So there's no need to get a 5G device with AT&T or Cricket. So this phone is 4.4 rated out of 5, so that's pretty good. It says, believe the hype and experience 5G in style with the Motorola One 5G. Capture the perfect picture for every moment with the 48 megapixel quad camera system. Fit more in your selfie with an ultra wide lens and bring it all to life on the 6.7 inch Cinema Vision display. Pretty cool. Like I said, this phone is 5G compatible only in certain locations. So if you want to look at their coverage map of 5G, take a look at it because it's not big at all. 6.7 inch full HD plus Cinema Vision display, 48 megapixel quad camera system, ultra wide selfie cameras, 2-day battery. Motorola is pretty good for their battery. Up to 128 gigabytes of built-in storage. So this phone has 128 gigs of memory, guys. It's pretty cool. Side-mounted fingerprint sensor, narrow, seamless, streamlined design. Sorry. Pretty cool. Like I said, the main features is this phone does have a 6.7 inch, 48 megapixels, and 128 gigs of memory. So pretty cool. Here's the full specs on this. It does run Android 11. Dimensions, like I said, memory is 128 gigs with micro SD card expandable up to 1 terabyte. Jeez. Connectivity, of course, is 5G compatible. Like I said, check the coverage. It is Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, does support mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi calling. The cameras, you have 2 front cameras, as you can see here, which is pretty cool, actually. It's a 16 megapixel and an 8 megapixel camera. The rears is 4 different cameras, 48, an 8, a 5, and a 2 megapixel. The processor is one is a 2.3 gigahertz, the other one's a 2.2 gigahertz, and the other one is a 6 by 1.8 gigahertz. Doesn't even say what it is. Qualcomm Snapdragon MediaTek. I don't know. It's probably Snapdragon. This phone does have a pretty big battery at a 5,000 milliamp battery, which is real nice. Hearing aid is and compatibility is M3T3, so that's pretty cool there, guys. So overall, I think this is pretty cool. You get the phone free as long as you purchase 3 months of their $60 monthly plan. So that's $180 plus taxes. Doesn't matter if you're switching or just new number, you can get it. Like I said, that's not bad. Actually, for $180, you're getting the phone free and 3 months of service. It's a pretty sweet deal. Like I said, let me know in the comments below if you want me to get it. I might. Who knows? And check out the description below for a lot more. Thank you.